Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Firstly, just open Settings. Now you need to tap on Connected Devices over here and select Connection Preferences. Following that, tap on Printing section and tap on Default Print Service right away. Then tap on this sweater if it's not already on and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you don't want to use this printing service though, you need to disable it first. Tap on the back button and choose Add Service. Then install the best one for you, in my case HP one. Download it and tap on the back button twice. Now click on your service and wait for your device to connect. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!